वो ही नहीं हुआ है. मैं single का single हूँ guys.
DMs are open. In your eyes, you are strange. You are
तेरी बात.
नहीं आंखों में तेरी अजब सी अदाएं हैं.
Duffers, I tell you, duffers.
Sheesh, yaar. It's a celebration of spring only to say, love is surprised looking at this.
इश्क
ये जो आलाप लिया है आपने
इसके बाद
Sorry. I tell you, duffers.
the sun has dimmed, the moon.
सूरज हुआ मध्यम.
चांद जलने लगा.
I tell you, duffers.
Somebody you really want to romance.
Ananya.
I have done that ad for Cornetto with Ananya. I would say Ananya.
I think Ananya.
Keeping an ad for a brand with Bachchan sir. When I went on set, he said, "Hi Rohit, it's very nice to meet you." And I was shocked that he knew my name and that I didn't have to introduce myself. And I remember putting this picture up and said, "Here's to a legendary photograph."
Damn.
The girl opposite me, the foreigner, she had to slap me. Mr. Shah Rukh Khan was standing behind the camera and he was just like, he was telling her, hit her. And then he came to me and he said, "What, you're feeling bad or what? Like she's slapping you." That's a good thing, it's a good thing. That means she likes you.
Because the view was very beautiful. And I said I'm gonna take pictures of the view. So it was really, really cold. But we still stopped the car so I could get out and get a picture. And then Dugubay turned around and he was like, "You're looking so pretty. Let me take some pictures of you."
Hi guys, this is Ankita. You're tuned to Bollywood Bubble and today I am on a rebound trip with Rohit, Pashmina and Jibraan.
Hi.
Starting with you.
Oh God, I'm very
Hello.
scared.
That was like a very lovely
प्यार
sassy
का
intro.
second round. Life में कौन सा प्यार का second round हुआ है अभी तक?
मेरे तो भाई राउंड चल के पता नहीं क्या
Square हो गया है वो.
कुछ और ही हो गया है.
Like a film.
But tell me, no seriously, कितने rounds हुए हैं प्यार के?
ऐसे काउंट नहीं पता मुझे.
बता दे आज.
Oh.
सराफियंस को बता दो.
18,000.
Girls, you can DM him still. It's okay.
Guraj,
She's
the
given the
same.
permission.
Yeah.
हाँ कितने राउंड हुए
rounds
पश्मीना बताओ तो सही.
और you're yet to.
2 rounds अभी तक तो हुए हैं इस फिल्म में.
Very smart.
अंधेरी में कोई नहीं मिला. अंधेरी ज़ू में नहीं मिला कोई.
और आपके कितने round हो गए?
मैं नहीं कोई भी नहीं. मैं बहुत
अरे
कोई नहीं हुआ है. मैं single का single हूँ guys. कभी नहीं हुआ है.
Do you want me to ask the girls also to ping
If
in
you
DM?
know
इसके
who was
18,000
watching
हुए,
them,
मेरे 15,000 हुए.
Pashmina is the only one who got the question right. But yeah, we'll move on.
Yeah.
Rohit, okay, quickly before I move to my segment with you, tell me what's love for you? What's ishq? What's the feeling? How will you sum up love? I know it's a big term. You can't sum it up in mere words. But what's love and who's love for you?
who is love for me? It's a lovely one. Nice.
Aisha Rohan.
See, for me, I feel love is a feeling of going back home, and I'm not saying that, whoever I'm dating would be my home, but whoever I would be dating. Let me just rephrase that. I'm not dating
DMs
anyone.
are open.
Stop it.
But you've been saying it, you're single.
Yeah. So no, what I'm saying is, for me, love is a feeling of going back home. The comfort that you get, the security that you feel. You feel like you can completely be yourself. There is no place for any judgment at home, and you just feel happy and you feel protected. You feel like it's a safe space. So I think that feeling, that feeling of going back home would be the feeling that I would want from my love.
What's love for you?
So I would like to add on to that, the feeling of being home and calling the person, your partner, your home is love. But I also feel like it's from home where you can really spread your wings and expand and explore and become better versions of yourself and go seek out everything in the world. So I would want a love like that as well, that encourages me to grow and in fact pushes me to grow.
So yeah, of course, I have a very similar answer to him. Love for me is going back home. It's that feeling of calmness where there's no judgment. You can literally just go and lie down and be like, oh, I had a very hard day. And yeah, just the matter of fact that you can share your entire day's situation with your partner without feeling like, oh, what are they going to think? I think that is what love is. And of course, saying that, there has to be a lot of masti. there has to be
Yeah.
some friendship as well.
Must
I also
is
feel like
important.
I also feel like definition of love is ever changing.
Yeah, of course. Like you
Evolving.
can't sum it up. Like you said it yourself.
Yes.
You can't sum it up. But yeah, basics. This is to there यार बनता है इतना.
बहुत ज्यादा प्यार हो गया, थोड़ी सी मस्ती करने का टाइम चलो फर्स्ट से शुरू करते हैं क्योंकि बहुत सारा लव है तो मैं लव सॉन्ग्स के इंग्लिश ट्रांसलेशंस दे रही हूँ. गेस करो गाना.
Okay, ठीक है.
चलो.
Pashmina is very good at this.
Yeah, she's very good at
She's
this.
very good at this.
ओके स्कोरबोर्ड होगा. लेट्स सी होगा.
अरे
अच्छा, oh, it's a competition between the. अरे.
Can we all just be on the same
Can we
team?
be on the same team?
So then who I'm going to compete with myself.
No,
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 we
no.
will competition.
it's just a
चलो
fun
ठीक है.
game.
चलो फन
मस्ती कर देना मस्ती.
ठीक है चलो
हाँ.
चलो let's do it. Let's begin.
Yep.
Okay. In your eyes you are strange. You are strange.
तेरी बात. Oh, sorry.
नहीं, आंखों में तेरी अजब सी अदाएं हैं.
Not
Can
bad.
Okay, very good, very good.
Very good.
Let her finish it, no?
Okay.
Okay.
Fine.
First drug.
First?
पहला नशा.
First drug, I heard rug.
Yeah, I heard first drug. I was like, पहला carpet? No.
Duffers. I tell you, duffers.
Sheesh, yaar.
In the moon hit the cloud. Blush.
Chand
Chand
chupa
chupa
badal
badal
mein.
mein.
See, we will get competitive. We will few more.
It's a celebration of spring only to say, love is surprised looking at this. Fragrance is upset with the flowers in the garden.
खुशबू garden.
Gungunare.
Fragrance.
ना तुम
Should I
जानो
start
ना.
again?
Yes.
Yeah.
Sing it slowly.
Okay. It's a celebration of spring
प्यार
only to
की
say,
Bahar, bahar.
हस्ती में
No, bahar. कुछ bahar आया, yeah, something like that.
बाल आया.
Bahar.
Last
Spring.
हुआ दिल पहली
It's a celebration
बार.
it's a celebration of spring
Bahar
only to
की
say,
celebration.
love is surprised looking at this.
अरे एक सेकंड स्प्रिंग को क्या बोलते हैं हिंदी में?
Bahar, I'm saying since so
Bahar
long.
नहीं
No,
बोलते हैं,
spring
भाई.
is. क्या
It
होगा?
is bahar.
Spring
She's
is-
saying
it
yes.
is बाहर. Oh.
इस कॉन्टेक्स्ट में बिल्कुल सही जा रही है वो भी तक
अच्छा,
तो वही है जो सही.
Bahar.
प्यार के बाहर.
No, can you say it again?
It's a celebration of spring only to say love
ये है
is,
बाहर की.
Only
Love
to
is-
say love is.
love is surprised looking at this.
प्यार.
Ishq the इश्क
चलो
की
last
चौक
hint. This is
में
your
क्यों चलती है पवन? No.
minus.
What is the sound?
Minus.
देखो
बोलो।
पवन
हाँ।
भी लहरा
कहने
रही।
को जश्न बहारा है इश्क
Oh.
देखे हैं.
को जश्न बाहर.
ऐसे
अरे,
कैसे इतना
spring
easy
is
है?
बहार।
बहार. She got it
कहने
right.
को
जश्न बहारा है इश्क ये
देख
देखे हैरा है.
Oh.
Literal. The sun has dimmed. The moon.
सूरज हुआ मध्यम।
Nice.
चांद जलने लगा।
Another sun we have then. Sun came out, some mercury had melted. There was a storm when my heart sighed from the heart.
Is this Dune?
I love it.
What the hell?
Mercury has melted.
Mercury कहाँ से आया गाने में?
Wait.
सूरज डूबा है यारो दो
नहीं, it's not that. Sun has come out.
Sun
सूरज
came
निकल-
out, some mercury had melted. There was a storm when my heart sighed from the heart.
इतनी अंग्रेजी नहीं आती.
तूफान में मेरा
तुमको
दिल
तो पता होना चाहिए जिब्रान. ये तो
ये
तुम्हारे लिए
तुम्हारे
था.
तुम्हारे ही फिल्म की गाने बताओ जल्दी से यार.
बताओ.
ग्रह
Okay,
हाँ
okay.
बता दो.
आओ
एक सूरज निकला था, कुछ पाया पिघला था, एक आंधी आई थी,
पाया।
जो दिल से आग निकली थी.
Oh
दिल
my
से
god. No, we would never get this.
Yes,
also.
that's how you're
so
supposed to
Mercury
play.
means पाया
एक
पाया.
पाया. Oh, I thought paya's leg. Okay.
At first sight, how did the magic happen?
पहली नजर में ऐसा जादू कर
Tips.
दिया.
Race tips.
When I saw a girl, it felt like
एक लड़की
एक
को
लड़की को देखा तो ऐसा लगा
different track altogether.
Which song are you singing? पड़ोसी की what?
No, एक लड़की को
देखा तो ऐसा
So I sang that
अरे
only.
बेस
Yeah,
सुरा
you
एकदम
muffled in the voices. I'm like, which song are you singing?
See, it was him, not me.
Rohit, you really need to
What
like right
did
now.
She started singing some balta thing. Sorry.
बलता
I
What did you
am
say?
not taking this interview in any seriousness any further, I guess. Okay. You have some
Darling.
previous relationship with me.
तेरा
तेरा
मेरा
मुझसे
है
है
पहले
का नाता कोई
हाँ.
यूं ही नहीं दिल लुभाता कोई जाने तू
या
जाने ना ये क्या
माने
माने
तू या मानना.
I'm not with them.
बात है.
I'm
I
not
think
with them.
Ramesh ji needs to give them an album.
I'm not
to
with
sing.
them.
Oh God.
Last one, in this
Okay.
one. Okay. The heart wants never, the bright days never pass.
ये कैसे
हम
कैसे
कभी
गाने हैं
दोस्त
भाई?
नहीं हो सकते. Wait, wait.
ढूंढ
The heart wants never.
दिल नहीं चाहता,
दिल है कि माँ.
दिल चाहता है
दिल
हम
चाहता
ना
है
रहे कभी यारों के बिन.
Oh, nice.
Oh.
ये जो आलाप लिया है आपने.
इसके बाद अच्छा फर्स्ट पार्ट मूवी का सबने देखा है? Ishq Vishq, the OG one as people are
Yes.
So
saying.
like our
Yes,
first
yeah,
half,
yeah.
you've
मैंने
not
तो
seen.
देखा
पार्ट डायलॉग्स मैं बता रही हूँ, गेस करो किसने बोले हैं.
Okay, we are
हाँ, ये
good.
तो पता है,
Yeah,
ये मैं
yeah,
जीतेगा.
yeah, yeah,
देखते हैं
yeah,
फिर.
yeah.
Okay, I'm
यहीं से
very
शुरू.
bad at this.
चलो.
There is this one dialogue in the film.
Hmm.
एक कैरेक्टर ने सिर्फ एक ही डायलॉग बोला है.
सरदार जी
हाँ,
क्या बात
उनका
कर
नाम
रहे हैं?
बताओ चलो.
क्या बात कर रहे हैं?
Monty.
क्या बात कर रहे हैं?
Sardar.
क्या बात कर रहे हैं? I like this word.
आपने-
Dimpy.
Oh, sorry.
He got it right. I impressed.
Of course, of course.
फूल घुट के पिया. Okay. कमला, फूलों का गमला.
Mambo!
Mambo.
Come on.
Come
on,
bro.
वो नहीं कर सकता.
नहीं ना?
कमला फूलों का sorry. It's too
Oh God, no.
बता कब करूं मैं?
Ow.
सबके सामने थप्पड़ मार सकती हो, सबके सामने किसी
राजीव. राजीव ने
माथुर.
बोला था पायल को.
राजीव
एक आपने ले लो
माथुर.
फिर.
I said Mambo.
हाँ, okay.
He just said it
ये
loudly.
तो आगे जंप करके. ओके, अगर तुम्हारा प्यार जाना चाहता है तो उसे जाने दो.
अमृता.
पायल ने बोला था.
पायल ने बोला
Payal.
राजीव को.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
राजीव. It's not Rajiv. It's
I
Rajiv.
told you, na?
Rajiv.
After lunch they go crazy.
Hey, one more character was epic, huh? His father, Satish
father.
Shah was
Oh,
also
very good.
Oh yeah,
epic.
yeah.
Mad
Okay,
after
so there are
lunch.
some core memories I want you to talk about.
What memories?
Yes,
Core
core
memories.
memories.
Oh, shit, my
Okay,
mic.
Let's begin with. I'll start with you,
Hmm.
and then we'll end with you.
May I have two? I'll start with you.
You show it to the camera.
And end with it.
Oh, that's the photograph.
Oi! Isn't he?
Oh shit, yeah. It's
When
the
was
same
this? Tell us
expression
everything. You
always.
acted with Mr.
I
Bachchan.
had such a good jawline look.
You still do. This is
Shave the
fine.
beard, we'll say. We'll see it.
No, this. If I have to talk about this, I remember we were shooting an ad for a brand, a TV brand, and we were being directed by Shujit Sarkar sir.
Wow.
And it was honestly the quickest shoot of my life. It was such a long script. But I remember, so I reached set, and that was the first time in my life I reached 2 hours early. I don't know why, but I woke up in the morning. My call time was 11 o'clock, and I was so anxious that I would get late or I would get traffic. And this was Ganpati time, and this was September of 2017. This was Ganpati time, and there would just be a lot of traffic and there would be rain. I was so anxious that I reached set 2 hours early. I remember we were shooting at Tobacco Golden Factory in Santa Cruz, and I went there and they told me that you're very early. We don't
हमारा
have a,
vanity नहीं है.
we don't have a van for you. I said that's okay. I will sit outside and I will wait. So I waited, and then my vanity came in at 11 o'clock. So I went inside, and all this while I just kept looking around if I will get to see him around. And he was on set and he was shooting. And then I went into my vanity, and then I waited until I think 1:30, because so that particular day they were shooting 4 ads with Bachchan sir. And then they called me. When I went on set, I remember they had told me that your shot will be at 1:30. They called me at 1:20. They were that punctual and they were on time. And they called me at 1:20. I went on set. He said, "Hi Rohit, it's very nice to meet you." And I was shocked that he knew my name and that I didn't have to introduce myself. And after that, I don't know how, but he just communicated with Shujit sir without any words.
Oh.
It's like they do something like that, and it was communicated. There were 3 camera setups and it was done in 15 minutes. We shot in not 15 minutes, sorry. The first bit was done in 15 minutes, and they broke for lunch, and then we came back in another half an hour. So 45 minutes and we were done with an entire ad for a minute.
Damn.
And it was the most amazing experience. And while I was leaving, I said, "Sir, can I please get a photograph with you?" He said, "Of course." And then I took this picture.
So
And I remember putting this
Mr.
picture.
Bachchan.
And I remember putting this picture up and said, "Here's to a legendary photograph."
Damn.
Oh,
That
geez.
was-
He is
Now I
a
wanna add
legend.
something to this.
Yes, please
So
do that.
I was assisting on Brahmastra,
Okay.
and so everyone knows Mr. Bachchan is very tech savvy,
Yeah, he is.
and
Oh, he is?
yeah.
Oh, he's
He
very
has
tech
like
savvy. I
4
think-
5 phones. He has the like everything. Like
Wow.
he just has it. And so I had to ask him to record a voice note, which we needed to put in some like a video bite, which was going to London or something. So Ayan gave me that job, and I had his number, and I have. So I was waiting for his call. Of course, I didn't have the guts to call him up and tell him. So he has called me, and guys, I'm not kidding. He has said this: "Hi Jibraan, this is Amitabh here." He has said, "Hi Jibraan, this is Amitabh here." And guys, I swear, I was mute for 5 seconds because I was like, "Wo bol raha hai, Amitabh here," and I was just like, "Sir, I know, of course I know." And then he sent me the voice note, and I think that time he didn't have WhatsApp, so he was new to it, so he didn't know how to send voice notes. And then, guys, I had the privilege to video call him on his other number and actually guide him how to do it.
Dude.
But imagine, like, bro, he's something else. He
He's
used to
amazing.
walk, we used to just stand up like this, sir.
Yeah.
You know, like,
He's
He has a
amazing. He's amazing.
Unique aura.
this is,
Sorry.
He's your favorite actor.
bro,
I
this
mean,
is
he is one of
priceless.
our-
He is,
This
I think, yeah.
He's the country's most loved actor. I
Yeah,
feel.
definitely.
Okay.
Mr.
Next, we should do with, because this, of course, I.
What a lovely
that's
photograph.
so
I love
sweet.
this
Hey, this is recent, na?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
We were on holiday in France, and it's so sweet. He got off. I got off here because the view was very beautiful, and I said I'm gonna take pictures of the view. So it was really, really cold, but we still stopped the car so I could get out and get a picture. And then Dugubay turned around and he was like, "You're looking so pretty. Let me take some pictures of you." So I posted my solo picture also. Then I
I remember you sent me
I
that
sent it to him.
picture.
You edited it for me. So we started taking pictures, and I was like, "Listen, these are coming out so well. We should all take family pictures here." So we all posed one by one together, all of us, and took pictures. It was actually, this day was me, him, and Saba together. It was very
Oh,
sweet. So we
lovely.
have a picture of me in between the two of them also, which I love. It's one of
That's
my
so
favorite
sweet.
pictures. Thank you.
Of course,
This
you
is
know.
so cute.
Oh,
I love
this
this.
is
Aw.
priceless.
This is one of the most beautiful
Look at you,
photographs of
Jibraan.
you.
My God,
Really.
yeah. What a cutie. Where did you grow up?
Looking like you only. Lal Mirchi.
This is honestly one of the most beautiful photographs ever.
Jibraan, you're really cute, huh?
Thanks, Abhi. But yeah, so oh my god. So this scene never made it to the film, and it was one of the best scenes actually which we shot. We were doing an outdoor, and I think we back to back shot it in some mall or some street. And I still remember the girl opposite me, the foreigner, she had to slap me, and I was just not getting the reaction. And Mr. Shah Rukh Khan was standing behind the camera, and he was just like, he was telling her, you know, hit her, and then he came to me and he said, "What, you're feeling bad or what? Like she's slapping you." So I was like, "Yeah, somewhere, you know." I was like, "Yeah." He's like, "It's okay if you're getting slapped by a girl. That's a good thing, you know. It's a good thing. That means she likes you. She likes you." So he really pumped me up for this, and
Wow,
this
dude.
scene
It's
does
too
make it, yeah.
cute, man.
How
This
old are
picture is too cute.
7, 8 maybe.
Oh,
Yeah.
man.
Everyone is giving like an expression
So we
of
all
being
three
slapped,
get
and
slapped.
Jibraan is just being
And this
cute.
is on
What a
YouTube.
beautiful
Yeah,
photograph.
it's priceless.
love
It's
this
priceless.
picture.
It's priceless.
It really
I mean, I would
is.
love to enact this again with this. Just imagine doing this now.
You
That
will
would be
one day.
No, never say
insane.
never.
Oh my god, that'll be insane.
Inshallah.
Never say never.
Yeah, it'll happen.
Oh, I want this for you. I want to
Yeah.
see the three of you
Please,
standing
So
in
we
one
have
frame.
manifested
Manifestation.
this right now.
We must. That would be amazing.
As I just said, you're the senior in the troops, so I'll give you one.
I am not a
Yes,
senior.
senior.
I'm literally the
Actually, I'm gonna keep this.
Yes.
Yeah, even I'm gonna keep this.
This is a photograph that we took in
Who's
London.
that boy? Who's that boy?
Oh my God,
that
that
boy?
police
I
is
got,
really.
You got it, but I got the picture.
Yeah.
Oh my god, Mr.
Who's the
Saraf.
See, does not look
You
like
are
you
looking
at
like the
all.
mango bite here, bro. What the hell?
What I was saying was this photograph is actually we took this photograph in
Fully
London.
red here.
We were shooting for our first proper schedule together in The Sky is Pink. The entire crew had rapped, and so there was like a mini rap party sort of a thing. I hadn't rapped. I was the last one shooting in London on our last day. And if y'all would have seen the film, y'all would have known which scene I'm talking about.
Of course, I've seen the film. Your character's name is Ishan.
Yes.
Don't start
And
it
we
again.
don't know the end.
Don't start it again. You know that tube station scene?
Yes.
That's the scene that we were shooting last day, and this was the night before. And I remember we went to Soho in London, and that was the first time I went up to PC and I said I'd really love a photograph, and I'm a huge fan. Is when I told her like 7 days after shooting with her, I told her I'm a huge fan of you, PC. Can I please take a photograph with you? And she said of course. And she's so cool, you know. She loves doing this with like just when she's stepping out and stuff. That's what I believe. So that night when she walked into that bar, she was wearing a wig and she was wearing this really cool like
Afro.
what is that boy cut kind of wig. She walked
cut.
in.
A bob.
Yeah.
bob.
No, not a bob. Bob is when you have hair till here, no?
Okay.
Her
Pixie
hair
cut
was like
is
my
like-
hair, and she
So
walked
pixie
in.
cut.
And she walked in, and I was like, "Wow, she's looking so cool. Why did she cut her hair though?" And then suddenly, I said, "Ma'am, PC, can we take a picture?" She removed the wig. She did this.
She just wears wigs.
Yeah, just for fun. She wore it because she wanted to have fun. And so
Like
and then.
Moira from
Oh yeah, I love Moira so much.
Oh my god.
So yeah, basically we took this picture, and this was the night where she said one of the kindest things to me, and
Remember any of that?
absolutely. I was like, I'm not gonna eat, I'm not gonna have a drink, I'm not gonna do anything because I was shooting that really important scene the next day, and I was like, I don't want to screw up at all. I want to go back to the hotel and I want to remember lines and all because it was a monologue. And she's like, why are you so nervous? And I said, I'm just nervous because it's an important scene for my character. She's like, you have to realize that you're here because you're fit for the job and that you deserve to be here. And so you need to stop freaking out so much. Just have a good time tonight, tomorrow. You can wake up, go for a steam, go for a run. You're prepared. We've done this scene before. You'll be absolutely fine. And I just had the
Damn.
best night that night.
That honestly, that advice hit me
This is the
also
Desi
right
girl
now.
This was not the Desi girl night. This was a different night. But yeah, I really love this photo. Thank you.
All of them. Thank you. This is
Thank
so
you. This is
unique.
really cute. Yeah.
God, my nose is really red, no?
Yeah,
Your
you got
nose is red. Both our faces are
too.
red for some
Yeah.
reason.
Ooh, I think
Me
the
too.
commonality of redness is running through the picture.
Yeah.
Me too.
Okay, lastly, we are wrapping. Tell me who is the next person you are going to romance on screen. I'm going to ask you the last. I have enough suggestions in my DMs for you when they got to
Acha,
I'm
okay.
interviewing you, so I'll ask you last.
Okay, fine.
You give me the answer. Somebody you really want to romance on.
I think I would like to romance other than Pashmina.
Yeah, no,
someone.
this is out.
Ananya. Yeah, I would really like to. I think we look good together. Yeah.
Yeah.
You look cute.
I would say Varun. I think
D.
he's really cool.
He's so
I think
nice.
it'll happen.
He's really
I
cool.
think it'll happen also. Yeah.
Say, what are your suggestions?
Mine not suggestions. Your fans are giving me enough suggestions.
Tell
So
us
what is
also.
it?
Share it with the class.
What is it?
What is it with Deepika Padukone they want to see you with? Apparently, everyone thinks that you should be
Really?
doing a film with Deepika.
I would love to. I would do it any day, but I don't think she would. I mean, I'm manifesting.
Was it?
I'm manifesting.
But
You
that's
said
what you-
romance.
Yeah, romance.
Yeah.
Romance
It's a
is-
film. Yeah, you tell me what you want to know. Who you want to romance? Like a hardcore romantic film.
Hardcore romantic film. Who do I want to do it with? There's so many.
He's romancing Janvi and Sanya right now. Bacha kon hai?
Jibraan is keeping a black diary.
Even Sara, you would look good with Sara also. Rohit will look good with any.
But I have done that ad for Cornetto with Ananya. I would say Ananya.
I think Ananya and him would
Yeah,
look
I
good.
think
Cute.
and I really
I'm
like
not going to
her.
have a
Anya's
two-hero movie with
gorgeous.
Ananya
But I
Kamal.
really
I mean,
like her
we are
vibe,
great
you
at
know?
it now, so we can do
What
it.
about Vamika also?
Vamika's
Vamika
also
Gappe.
Yeah, but I really love Ananya's energy. She's really fun on
Some
set.
spark. Yeah.
She's a lovely person.
काफी सारा प्यार हो गया before they throw me out. I'm throwing myself out of the interview. Don't worry, it's perfectly fine. I'll be doing that. But thank you for the love, thank you for the energy, and
Thank you so much.
what I have seen, BTS, I think was some another level of craziness.
Listen, but these photographs really made us so
Yeah,
happy,
yeah,
man.
so proud.
Thank you very much for bringing these.
Yeah.
I wanted to bring more, but then I thought maybe will not have the time.
We'll keep these out.
Please,
Yeah,
yeah, I'm
keep
keeping
that.
this.
It's yours to keep.
Thank you.
But thank you so
Thank
much
you.
for doing this.
Thank
you.
I wish, but I can't ask you to do your epic performance of going out on the stage and doing it again. We definitely can't here.
Yes.
But wishing you loads of luck.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you
And
so
lots of
much.
yeah.